Hey everybody, it's Diana, and today we're going to do July's BoxyCharm unboxing. So I paid for this a year in advance. This is my fifth box, I think. Yeah, fifth box. I know there's different variants on every box. They normally cost, I think, about $22 a month. I think mine they come under just $20 a month if you pay for a year in advance, so you save a little bit of money. The lighting's a little bit dark and mysterious today. I was feeling whatever. I did want to show you guys, I've got like this beautiful blinding highlight today, which actually comes from a little something new I just got yesterday, which is the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze palette. And I know this is not a super new palette. I think it came out, early spring. There's no mirror. This looks a little muted. On my eyes, I'm actually wearing Sunny's Strawberry Lemonade, Ice Pop, and Sherbet. And my highlight, Citrus. And my highlight is the citrus color. And it's super glittery. So if you don't like glitter, you won't like this. But I thought it was fun and a little bit different. And I don't normally buy... I don't think I've ever bought a Maybelline palette before, and I did like the color scheme. It's a little more neutral too than what I go with. It's got a ton of mattes and only 4 shimmer shades. So this guy here, Citrus, Strawberry Lemonade, Sugar Coated, and Main Squeeze are all of the shimmers. I haven't used all of these. I've only just used it today. I thought the eye look... It's pretty muted, but it came out pretty well. And again, I don't have highlights on today because I just don't feel like it. I will swatch these for you. You know what? I'm going to do that in another video, maybe a haul video, or I'll dedicate a look palette to this. They're very soft. You do get kind of a lot of fallout, but they're really easy to work with. They blend nice on their own together. You could make a really extensive look, a really simple look. I just wanted to try it out, and I'm really happy with this purchase. And then I also got the Maybelline Python Metallic Lip Kit. This one, I don't even know if it says on here what it is. In Piercing. So it's this tiny little guy, and I've never tried like a lippy that wasn't like a lipstick or a liner or a regular or a lip crayon or liquid lip or anything. So this is like, it doesn't come with anything but this like potted lip product and then basically like an eyeshadow, I think, but it's lip safe. It's really glittery and metallic, and again, this is shit lighting, so I'm going to do a video with both of these. It's kind of like a gray black color. I've never used anything like this before, so I think it'll be fun to try out. But yeah, that's just a couple new things I got besides my BoxyCharm, and I thought I'd share, so I did. But this month's BoxyCharm has a couple variants. I know I've already looked inside. Some of the one of the variants actually includes an eyeshadow palette. Mine did not come with that, and I was a little disappointed at first. But then I was like, you know what, I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes. I don't really need an all red warm palette, even though I don't have a ton of that in my collection. I did just buy the Lemonade palette, which has a couple warmer shades in it. Between my palettes, I've got a lot of reds and stuff, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, so it comes with a little insert. You get some coupes on the back if you're interested. There's some sweet deals for Pharmacy and Wander Beauty. Pharmacy's pretty expensive, so 20% off is pretty nice if you're into that. The theme this month is road trippin', and I guess these are more influencers. A nice little mix of gals. So I'm just going to go down and show you the products I got. I haven't tried any yet. I will. Some of these I probably won't try for a while because things like mascara, brow products, and even sprays and stuff I'm not I'm trying to kind of work through what I have until I open or really utilize or try new ones. Because I have some older products and I really just want to get through those first. So I'm excited to have these products. I was a little disappointed at first to not get the eyeshadow palette, but then I was like, this is kind of nice just to get kind of more staple items. I have plenty of eyeshadow palettes and there's a few I have my eye on anyway, so I'm not missing out. So the first thing I got in here is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I have never tried an eye depuffing gel before. Dr. Brandt is really nice. I know we got like a face mask in one of the last ones that I've been using, which I have kind of mixed feelings of. I think it does work. I just think it really irritates my skin. So let's see. It's recommended that after your oil, I can't even speak. After your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount and pat on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup for best results. So I don't usually use eye moisturizer, so I guess you could just put this on before your concealer and stuff. I don't really notice a scent. I will try it. Maybe I'll keep it upstairs in my medicine cabinet and not really use it during my makeup routine. Maybe use it like at night. Maybe that's not helpful to use something like this at night. I don't know. But I've never tried anything like that, so that's interesting, and I will try it. That is Valentina's fave of those gals, and it's normally $42. Like I said, Dr. Brandt is pretty expensive. So I think the brand's cool, and these are all full-size products. And I'm excited to try it. I've never tried anything like that. Then we have the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is Chola's fave. I've never tried Wander Beauty. Can you even see it? And I don't think I have, no, that's a lie. I do have, before I even say it, I do have something else in kind of a squeezy tube. It's the Lancome Monsieur Big, these little minis I have. But I'll probably test these out before I test that big one out, just because I like to get through my minis and stuff. So those are the only ones besides now this that I have that's in a squeeze tube. So it looks kind of like a lipstick because of that. Smells fine. It's got a really thick wand, and then it's also kind of curved. So this will be fun to try out. I like getting stuff like mascaras because then I don't have to buy them. And I do have what I consider a very large collection of mascaras kind of waiting in the wings. So eventually I will try that little guy. I don't know when, maybe not this year, but I have it, so I don't need to buy any. And again, that's $24. Then I have the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and it's Debbie's fave, and this is $26 normally. I've never heard of Chella Beauty, so I already watched another YouTuber do this. I'm not going to try this now, but it's got a little tiny brush on one side, and on the other side is this little pot of eyebrow color. This looks like a color that would be good for me. Does it say what color? Taupe, I think. Taupe eyebrow cream. Smells fine. Doesn't really smell like anything. It looks like from about here down is possibly full of product. It doesn't really start till just into the top here. Actually kind of like, I don't know, a couple millimeters down or something. So hopefully this is all the way to the bottom, but it's really hard to tell. And with the lights that are on, I can't. So eventually when I'm done with the brow products I'm working on right now, I think I'll probably try this one next because it seems really interesting and the color looks really good, and I've never tried anything like this before. An eyebrow cream. So I'm excited to try that. It's also good. I don't want to have to buy eyebrow products, and I don't think I ever technically ever need to again, because even if I run out of stuff like this, or like right now I'm using like the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper, which is like a mascara for your eyes. I have a bunch of other stuff, and I have, again, tons of eyeshadows, which I have used as for eyebrows before, and I would use it again. So definitely excited to try that. Where are we at in products? Did I do 2, 3 products? 3 products. I'm putting shit away before I even know what to do with it. Okay. And then I've got Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. It is Joelle's fave, and it is normally $11.99. So it comes in a little box. I also don't think I've ever heard of Note before. This is 05 Note, or 05 Note, 05 Desert Rose color. Open it up. There's like a little clasp. So you open it up, it's really cute. It says Note on it. I haven't swatched it yet. It smells like powder and old lady, so I don't know. Let's see. This is kind of really peachy and orangey. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Probably not at all. Let me try it one more time. It's really like peachy orangey. I'll try it, and it looks pretty subdued, and I see in the bottom you kind of flip this little guy up, and there's a tiny little brush, which is nice. It's pretty soft. I just save these little things. Sometimes I give them to my niece when I collect enough of these little guys. I don't usually use them. I've got plenty of brushes. So I'll save that brush for another day, and I'll definitely give this a go. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how she does. Oh, it's kind of like indented, like the top. Kind of see? I don't know. Whatever. That's not even important. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. One more product left to go. We've got Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist. I really love Tarte, so for me, this is really exciting. It's Cecily's fave, and it is $25. And again, all of these are full-size products, which is really nice. Tarte Ready Set Radiant. It's a skin mist, and when I read, I'm gonna shake it up. When I read the back, it looks like, or the little note card that came on here, not the back. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's late. I'm tired. That you can use it just as a skin mist during the day. Like if you're wearing no makeup, you can wear it as a primer spray or a setting spray. So eventually, I'm going to give this little cutie a test. I am really excited about this one because primer sprays, well, any of the sprays are not something I typically like to spend money on, and they're so expensive normally. What is this? $25 normally for a fucking spray. So, yeah, I'm glad to get something I don't have to spend my money on, and I really love the brand Tarte. So for me, for the 5 products, I mean, obviously money-wise, it's a total win, even just for this. This is normally, what, $25, and the box itself for me was less than $20. So even just to get this is really nice. I'm excited about the mascara and the Dr. Brandt. Even the eyebrow cream is pretty cool. I'm not super excited about the blush. I don't think I need, personally, any more blushes. I have enough, and I'll probably never get through them. But hey, I'll try it. I'm sure it'll be fine, and I will use up as much as I can before it gets totally disgusting in the next couple of years. So that is exciting. The one thing that I have to say about BoxyCharm is it's really frustrating to me as a YouTuber because, you know, I pay for this myself. I don't mind what I get in it. I know it's like, it could be whatever. But I get mad that the people that are getting it for free that are YouTubers are getting it like, they must get it like the first day of the month or something, or the first couple days of the month. I pay for mine, and I don't get mine until literally, what, today? And today is the 17th of July. So this is the latest in the month it got here too, because it said it was going to come Saturday, and then it switched to Monday, and then it switched to today. I'm like, I don't even know if I'm going to get my box. So annoying. So for me, just as I consider myself a regular consumer, to have to wait till nearly the end of the month for your box is kind of annoying. But also, if I want to make a video, now nobody cares about it because I didn't get it till the end of the month. So it sucks that unless you're important or have enough people following you, like, these people don't care about you. I mean, obviously they don't know and probably don't know about my channel that's teeny tiny or care about it. And I get that, but I feel like as a consumer myself, it would be nice to get it in like the first week of the month. So when I am watching those videos, even if they get them earlier, or you're getting them earlier, or, you know, whatever. If you guys subscribe to this box, then you can enjoy the products the whole month and not just at the end of the month. Granted, it's not like, oh, 2 weeks to the end of the month, now I'm going to throw this away if I haven't used it. Like, that's stupid. But, and I like this bottle. I like the purple. It's really pretty. Anyways, that's just my little rant. I hope you guys really like this video. I'm going to keep making them. I've already paid for the boxes. And I do like BoxyCharm because you always get the full-size products. I am toying with the idea, and let me know what you think if you have an opinion, if you're watching this video. I'm thinking next year I might try, instead of getting BoxyCharm, I'm going to do, I mean, this will go through February is my last box. I think I might do 2 subscriptions, the ones that give you minis, just to try that for a while, because I actually enjoy minis a lot, especially even with like mascara and lips. I don't feel like I go through full tubes before they go bad, or before I'm sick of them, or like just never get through a full tube or whatever, especially with lipstick. Mostly with lipstick, let's be honest. But I think it's fun to try so many different things, which was the big thing for this for me, was to try different things, try different brands. And also it's nice to get full-size products, because I don't always have a ton of money to go out there and go buy eyeshadow palettes all the time, or setting spray, or buy like skincare stuff. Skincare is so expensive. So to get any of that to me is like super exciting. But yeah, I do like minis. So I'm thinking next year maybe I'll get like Ipsy and Sephora Play. I'm only going to do it if I can pay for the full year like I did with this one in advance, because again, I'm not rich, and usually that's about tax time, so I get that money and I can do that so that all year I have a little treat for myself if I cannot spend any more money besides what I've already spent. So it's nice, you know, for me to get a little bit extra something here and there and try it out. So I think next year again I might try the Ipsy and Sephora Play, or Ipsy and Birchbox, or whatever, just based on, again, if I can pay for them in advance, because usually it's a little bit cheaper then, and then I don't have to worry about it. I'm just going to get my boxes all year, and I can enjoy them and share them with you. So again, I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe, and have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.